हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, क्या आप बीएड फर्स्ट ईयर का आईसीटी असाइनमेंट कंप्लीट करना चाहते हैं लेकिन समझ नहीं आ रहा कैसे शुरू करें? इस वीडियो में आपको आईसीटी का फुल एक्सप्लेनेशन मिलेगा, सिंपल लैंग्वेज में, स्टेप बाय स्टेप, जिससे आप अपना असाइनमेंट इजीली बना सकते हैं। आईसीटी का मतलब है इंफॉर्मेशन एंड कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी। इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी। टुडे वी आर लिविंग इन सच अ नॉलेज बेस्ड सोसाइटी and knowledge-based global world where knowledge is a great power, economy and strength of an individual and the asset of a nation. It is also true that there is tremendous explosion in its quality as well as its growth. We are in need of new technologies to have access and proper use of this fast-growing knowledge. Moreover, a mere acquisition of knowledge is not enough. We must have a complete access and mastery over the knowledge-getting process. It can only happen with the assistance of the science of information and communication technology. Information technology is the application of computers and telecommunications equipment to store, retrieve, transmit and manipulate data. The term is commonly used as a synonym for computers and computer networks, but it also encompasses other information distribution technologies such as television and telephones. Several industries are associated with information technology, including computer hardware, software, electronics, internet and computer services. Human beings have been storing, retrieving, manipulating and communicating information. Information technology is based on the storage and processing technologies employed. Meaning of information and communication technology: the direct access to the source of giving first-hand experience is neither always possible nor desirable. Consequently, most of our learning is based on second-hand experience in the form of information received by us about the objects, places, persons, ideas or events. This information provides a base of our knowledge and understanding about them and the environment surrounding them. For this purpose, the learner must be able to learn the art of getting information, store and make its use as and when desired. Such type of activities concerning information are said to be the part and parcel of the science and technology known as information technology. Moreover, the use of such information is the art of communication. Communication is a two-way process, stands for the sharing of ideas, thoughts, beliefs and information with others. The mutual sharing between the source of information and receiver of the information thus tends to add in the increased understanding and use of information, which ultimately helps in building up knowledge. In this way, both information as well as communication are needed in acquiring knowledge as well as getting involved in the knowledge acquiring process. Now, in case we want to have efficiency and effectiveness in the activities related to information and communication, better known as information and communication technology, ICT. In this way, information and communication technology is that type of technology employed in the shape of tools, equipment and application support which helps in the collection, storage, retrieval, use, transmission, manipulation and dissemination of information as accurately and efficiently as possible for the purpose of enhancing the knowledge. Basic concepts of an operating system. Definition and meaning: operating system is defined as system software. It is an integrated set of programs that can be used for overall control of the system. No machine runs by itself. Computer hardware or machine also requires a software. A software called operating system is required to operate any system easily and effectively. These kinds of software are called operating system, OS. Basic features: OS provides an environment to the user to execute programs. It makes computer convenient to use in an effective manner. It manages the computer resources effectively. It controls and coordinates the use of hardware and various other programs. OS can be viewed as a control program. With our PCs we mostly use operating systems like Unix, MS-DOS, MS Windows 95, 99/2000 etc. Functions of an operating system: memory management, device management, file management, input, output management, processor management, establishment of security, maintenance of system clock and data, to help user interact with machine, loading and execution of system software, handling of errors. Input devices: input devices are those devices or equipments that are meant for feeding data and instructions into the memory of the computer. Examples of these devices are keyboard, mouse, scanner etc. Let us discuss few of the most common input devices. Keyboard: this input device of your PC closely resembles a typewriter. It has a set of keys for enabling you to enter data into the computer. It has all the 101 keys containing letters, numbers and symbols like an ordinary typewriter. Besides these, it contains variety of keys like below. Function keys: these 12 keys are found on the top left hand side of the keyboard and are named F1, F2, F12. They are used to perform specific functions. Special functions depending on the software being used. 2. A numeric keyboard. It is located on the right-hand side of the keyboard. It looks and functions like a calculator. 3. Special keys. These are meant to perform special functions like controlling the movement of the cursor on the computer screen. Mouse. Mouse is an alternative device to the keyboard for controlling the movement of the cursor, pointer. Its name is derived from its shape, which looks somewhat like a mouse with a tail. The mouse may have 1, 2 or 3 buttons. The function of each button is determined by the program that uses the mouse. Rolling or moving the mouse on a flat surface causes a corresponding movement of the cursor on the screen. Whenever you will press one of the buttons, it performs a specific action. Button will either mark a place or make selection from data on the screen. The quality of marking a place on the screen makes it useful for graphic programmers, allowing to draw pictures by using it like a pen, pencil. Hence the operation of a computer is often nicknamed as clicking of the mouse button. There are 2 types of mouse. 1. Mechanical mouse. 2. Optical mouse. Scanner. Many a times you face the situations where some information is available on paper and you need it in your computer disk for further editing and incorporating it in your prepared document. The situation may involve taking a photograph of an image directly from the available source, get it converted into a form being saved on the disk, and then finally have its print through the computer printer attached to your computer. It can be considered as an input device that can read text, picture, graphics printed on paper and translate the information, usage into a form. It can be of 2 types: flatbed and handheld scanners. Output devices. Output refers to any information or result coming out of a computer. In this sense, output devices may be considered those devices which help in providing information or results to the users by getting the same from the computer. As examples of the commonly used output devices, we may cite the names of monitor, printer, plotter and loudspeakers etc. Monitor. It is also known as Visual Display Unit, VDU. The outgoing information or results are displayed in a visual form on the form of the visual display unit of your PC. Since here output from the computer is communicated to the user through the display on the screen, the visual display unit, i.e., monitor, is also shortly named as display screen or screen. However, the term monitor in true sense refers to the entire display unit, whereas display screen may mean just the screen. As a visual display unit device, monitors allow viewer to have information about the result of processing unit of the computer. Printer. A monitor as referred above can only help user to view the information or result after being processed in the CPU of the computer. For example, if you have composed a letter with the help of the keyboard and word processor, the results will be displayed on the screen. You can further edit and modify it as you desire. It can also be saved in the concerned files with the help of memory devices of the computer for future use. The printers are available in a number of types, varieties and styles. Their choices using in your computer lab mostly depends on the speed of printing, quality of their output, the present price range and economy in terms of their use. However, nowadays 3 types of printers are most popular with the PCS. These are named as dot matrix printer, inkjet printer and the laser printers. Sound card and speakers. Sound cards and speakers represent those output devices that may help the user to get output from computers in the shape of sound. These devices are quite common to the PCs you use nowadays. Sound cards usually helps in the output of sound through speakers connected to the motherboard of the computer whenever instructed by software programs. In manipulating sound stored on a disk. Microsoft Windows. Microsoft Windows is a series of graphical interface operating systems developed, marketed and sold by Microsoft. It introduced an operating environment named Windows on November 20, 1985 as a graphical operating system shell for MS-DOS in response to the growing interest in GUI. Microsoft Windows came to dominate the world's personal computer market with over market share, overtaking Mac OS, which was introduced in 1984. As of October 2013, the most recent versions of Windows for personal computers, mobile devices and server computers are respectively Windows 8.1, Windows Phone 8, Windows Server 2012 are though. The term Windows collectively describes any or all of several generations of Microsoft OS products. The history dates back to September 1981, when Chase Bishop designed the first model of an electronic device and project interface manager was started. It was in November 1983 that it was named Windows. Windows 1.0 is not a complete OS but extends MS-DOS. The shell of Windows 1.0 is a program known as MS-DOS. Its components include calculator, calendar, clock, control panel, notepad, and it does not allow overlapping windows. Windows 2.0 was released in December 1987, which was more popular and feature. It introduced sophisticated keyboard shortcuts and extended memory. Windows 3.0 released in 1990 improved the design and applications could run in protected mode. MS-Word MS Word is a utility software by the Microsoft Corporation, USA. It includes in a software package known as MS Office. It falls in a category of word processing software. Apart from the other well-known softwares are WordStar, WordPerfect, Venture etc. These softwares including MS Word are used for creating documents consist of pages with texts and graphics. It is generally for writing letters and sending messages on the mail. Creating text documents in a proper way for preparation of projects and research work. In doing assignments and homework. Saving the created documents and making use of other saved documents. Working with MS-Word, the personal computers, laptops used by you are loaded with MS Word. For starting, you have to open a blank document. The various components of document window of MS Word program may help us in carrying out a number of useful functions for the creation and application of the written documents loaded with text and graphics. MSEXCEL It represents a software program developed by Microsoft Corporation, USA in the form of an electronic spreadsheet. Spreadsheet, as the name suggests, is a chart containing rows and columns with data spread all over the page. A spreadsheet software program helps us to manage numbers in the same way as the word processing programs helps us in managing words. The first ever designed electronic spreadsheet program was Lotus. It quickly enters data electronically, edits as required, does the desired mathematical calculations and represents data in the form of graphs and charts. Basic terminology worksheets. These are the basic structures and represent a combination of horizontal rows and columns. It has a fixed number of rows, 65,536, and columns, 256. Each row is denoted by number and each column by a letter. Cell pointer. It is the highlighted boundary of a cell that denotes the cell is active. With the help of the click of mouse, we can make only one cell active at one point for making the desired entry. Range of cell. A group of cells forming a rectangular area in shape is called range. Formula bar. Any text or formula that is being entered is displayed on the formula bar. MSPOWERPOINT MS PowerPoint is a presentation software program developed by Microsoft Corporation. An effective presentation software tool helps users to create on-screen descriptions, demonstrations and summaries of information. It provides the needed synthesis of text, graphics and presentations. MS PowerPoint allows us to show one or more slides in a needed sequence. A slide means an electronic page containing some meaningful information transmitted in visual as well as audio mode to the concerned audience. Working with MSPOWERPOINT, the first screen of PowerPoint will offer different options like auto content, design template, blank presentation for creating presentation. Auto content wizard. The beginner can be useful in the task of creating slides. We can get various suggestions and help regarding designs, layouts and contents of the presentation. Design template. We get pre-designed forms and color schemes to be applied in your presentation. Here we won't get any suggestions. Blank presentation. One can use this option in case we wish to create a presentation with our own design, layout and content of our choice. Internet is the short name for Internetwork System. However, as we have pointed out earlier, Internet is known as the largest WAN in the world existing today. It may be defined as the world's largest internetwork system that may provide the fastest, easiest and cheapest means for countless users to get and provide information as well as communicate among themselves on a global basis. Internet may be considered as a network for a fast worldwide system consisting of people, information and computers capable of communicating and sharing data among the indefinite number of users at a time all over the world. Internet requires types of computer programs. Servers and clients are programs that provide resources. It is made to work on the way the client programs can link to server programs. Internet access. At this stage you may be eager to connect your PC to the internet for benefits from its so many valuable applications like email, www, file transfer etc. You may do it simply by establishing a dialing up connection to the internet. For this purpose you have to make arrangements for the following. Telephone connection, modem, internal or external. Computer, an account with some internet access provider establishment like BSNL. Application software i.e. client program. Multimedia. The word multimedia is composed of two separate words. Multimedia, which in turn stands for channel in carrying out the traffic of communication. Email. Through a conventional mode of mail, you send your letters and documents through offices, but it does take a lot of time. This problem has now been successfully solved by electronic mail services provided by the Internet. Electronic mail stands for an Internet tool, services used for exchanging information and documents among people, no matter sitting anywhere. In email, the messages are sent to the specified address of the recipient in the same way as you can send a message. The difference in use in the mode of delivery, email has made it possible to interact quickly and easily with millions of people around the globe, any time of the day and night for the cost of a local phone call. In email, the persons involved must know each other's address, which are known as email addresses. MS ACCESS MS Access is a computer software application program provided by the Microsoft Corporation, USA that allows users to store, organize and manipulate information including both text and numerical data. It is thus a database management system primarily employed in storing and organizing necessary information, data and helps us in proper retrieval through keyword searches later on when required. So, unlike MS Word which can be compared to an electronic typewriter or MS Excel which can be compared to an electronic calculator, MS Access has no electronic counterpart. At best it can be compared to a file cabinet that may be used to store important information in a way that makes it easy to locate data. It helps in the organization of data alphabetically or numerically by any desired field. MS Paint. MS Paint is a basic graphics, painting utility that is included in Microsoft Windows. MS Paint can be used to draw, color and edit pictures, including imported pictures from a digital camera. It can save creations in standard formats such as JPG and BMP. More recent version of Paint allows up to 3 colors to be picked at a time using the primary color with left mouse click, the secondary color with right mouse click, the tertiary color with the control key on the keyboard and any mouse click. Features included in Paint are pencil, brush and airbrush tool. Conclusion: globalization is powered in part by tremendous and rapid ICT advances, and young people are often among the first to take advantages of the new developments in this area. Youth are capable of using ICT in diverse and normal ways, as a result of which traditional forms of socialization are increasingly being challenged and overtaken. Many of the perceptions, experiences and interactions that young people have are virtual, transmitted through various forms of information technology. Youth are at the forefront of information, but they face the challenge of reconciling their daily existence with popular images present in the media.